Hey guys, I created a really quick video on how to open and close option spreads in Interactive Brokers quickly and easily. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it. Step one, you can either use your current, if you've got a quotes page, you can use your current quotes page, not a big deal. Or in this example, I'm just going to create a fresh one so that you can start from scratch. So I'm just going to call this one spreads, and here you can put all of your spreads in this section. So click on the tab, name it whatever you want to name it, click OK, and we are going to, in this example, we're going to buy an Apple credit spread. So we're going to click on combinations, option combos, smart. So you type in Apple and then you hit enter. You're going to get this drop down screen here. You go to option combo smart, click that, and then you're going to click over on the third tab that says pair leg by leg. So we're actually going to construct this leg by leg. But the great thing is that we're only going to have to do this once. So once we set this up, we're going to be able to buy it, and then once we're going to be able to buy to open it, and then once we want to close it out, if it doesn't expire worthless in the credit spread example, we're going to actually be able to sell it without having to do with just clicking a button. So you type in again the underlying option and you click on options. It's going to bring up the option chain, and we are going to buy the 102, and we're going to sell the 100 for September. Okay, so we'll close that out, and now the next step is we're going to click add. Once you click add, it's going to bring up a dialog box. Would you like to add the underlyings for the derivatives? I usually click yes for that. That just adds the underlying stock, and then it brings up this box here that explains exactly what's going on. We can close that out. Now here we've got the individual legs here. We've got the underlying stock, but the most important thing here is the thing that we want to make sure that is going to be here, and we can actually close this out now, is we have the actual option combo itself, which is the key. So now here we can right click and we can go buy. So a couple of things come up for me because I've actually got limit orders and trailing stops set when I do this. Yours is going to be different, but when yours comes up to buy, you should see that there. And then the only thing that you have to do if you want to select the limit, and you can put in the limit price, usually selecting the midpoint, and then you click transmit. I'm not going to transmit it because I don't want to actually execute this trade. But the awesome thing is that now that you have this here, and once you buy this, it's going to show up in your portfolio section. When you're ready to close this out, all you have to do is come back to the spread section, right click, and now instead of buying to open it, you're going to sell to close it. So again, I'm going to delete this, delete that, and then here is your buy to close or sell. Here's your sell to close the order. So you can change this to a limit, and it's right there. So once you have this here, it's there until you delete it. Now after the contract is closed and expired, you can right click here and you can delete this out of here. But if you got 5 or 6 of these, it really helps. So it's nice, clean, and simple, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake in the opening it and closing it. And this whole thing should now take you probably about, it'll be a little bit longer on the open, which it usually is, but on the close it will be simple, just like we want it. So on the close, we simply right click, sell, limit, and then choose your price, and then transmit. That's it. Cover quick, end of story. Hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.